Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell. I'm starting a new vlog, so hopefully you'll enjoy this vlog. The weather is not that good, so it's been raining the whole morning, so I have my umbrella with me in case it starts raining again. And it's so muddy, you guys. It's so muddy. The rain has just stopped raining like right now, so I'm going somewhere. So yeah, let's go. Please subscribe.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Can you guys imagine I'm going to pass through here? Like, isn't this crazy? Oh my god. It's crazy, man. I have to be very, very careful so that I don't fall. So, yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when... Yeah, see ya. Hey guys. It's in the evening and I'm going home. Where? Nimetoka mbali. I'm tired already. It stopped raining. Yeah, so I'm going home right now. Yeah. See ya. Hey guys. Catching up with you. I don't know. Today is Fool's Day, yeah? Yes. So, an update of my skin after I used aloe vera. So I realized here the sun is sunning, so that is the update. That is how my face looks. Like, it's like I've been thinking about it.